So I've had a lot of people come up to me and ask me, what is our branding and design process like? What exactly are you getting for the price you're paying? Now, if you go onto my website, you'll notice I have a couple of different products that I'm offering. The first one is called the Find Your Extraordinary Branding Package, which I'm selling for US $1,500. This is a 1-hour deep dive interview where I will get to know everything about your business, where you are, where you've been, where you want to go. We'll ask you a series of questions where we will get to know all about your customers, your competitors, your industry, your niche, how you want your customers to see you, as well as your long-term goals for your business. We will take a week to go through all the material that we've gathered, and then we'll do our own research and validate our findings. And then we will get back to you with a brand strategy to attain your business goals, such as your unique brand positioning that differentiates you from your competitors. What is it that the niche that you need to own that will make you into a highly profitable business? We will define your brand persona, i.e., if your business were a person, how would he or she look, talk, act like? What are your brand values and brand adjectives? Who are your ideal customer personas? What are they looking for in a brand that will convince them that they want to do business with you? We will also show you what your website wireframe could look like in order to get your website visitors interested in your services and actually convert to paying clients. We will lay out what your social media content strategy should look like that positions you as the go-to expert in your space and will enable you to turn your followers into likes, comments, fans, and eventually sales. Finally, we will share 3 different mood boards with suggested color palette and typography to give you an idea of what your business could look like and feel like in order to attract your ideal customers. Now, all of the above is one package that we're selling for US $1,500, and it's called Find Your Extraordinary Branding Package. It's the thinking behind your brand and will give you absolute clarity on where you are right now and where you want to be, and the strategy to get you from point A to point B. After that engagement, you can take the strategy and execute it on your own, or you can hire us to do it for you. For this, we offer 3 tiers of branding and design packages. There's the startup package, which we're selling for $12,500. And these are for those who are, starting out and looking for the fundamentals to get their business off the ground. So based on the previous 3 mood board directions we presented during the strategy phase, we will pick one of those directions and then develop 3 brand identity design options based on that direction. So that means your logo, your typography, your color palette, and how that would manifest as, corporate stationery, website design, and 30 days of social media content. Now, there are 2 other branding and design packages we also offer. The $25,000 package, which is our popular professional package. These are for those who are already running a professional service firms and are looking to rebrand and pivot because their current brand is not quite serving them well. They have a much more aggressive business objective. They have a larger or creative website need and require additional collateral and advertising materials to get them in front of the right market. And finally, the 3rd tier is the premium package, the $75,000 package. This is for clients who want to play in the big league. It's an ultra deluxe package, which is a level jump like no other. Complete rebrand and strategy and execution with all the bells and lots of whistles. This could include like a high-end photo shoot, manifesto, brand video, much larger site and marketing campaign that will set you up for success moving forward. And this is only for those looking to play in the big leagues, completely conceptualized from beginning to end, creative directed and implemented by me and my team. Now, if any of these branding packages sound like something that you'd be interested in, then schedule a 15-minute Zoom call with me where I can understand a bit about your business, your objectives, clear up whatever questions you may have with regards to our branding and design services, and see if we're a good fit to work together. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like it, share it with your network. Please subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice to help consultants create extraordinary brands that turn their expertise into profit.